Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be a quick one. He says after filming a pointless coffee intro there. Yeah, so this video is just going to be a quick time lapse of me ripping out the current interior and getting everything ready for the rebuild. Just want to say a quick thank you for all the people who sent messages of support from the first video as well. Really appreciate that. Like I say, I'm still learning as I go. It's all new to me. Saying that, I just had to film the outro for this video, sat in the van on the driveway of the house. Like, just felt so awkward. I was sat there for a good 5 minutes before I even had the courage to start speaking, just because I thought all the street was listening to me, which is just ridiculous. But yeah, still learning. Also, forgot in the first video, if you can like and subscribe, that really helps the video, helps YouTube like ship the video out to other people and stuff, so massively appreciate any support like that. But yeah, let's jump into the time lapse. Right, whilst all the panels are off, I thought I'd show like what the framing looks like. Just a brief look of how it's all been put together. This is all going to be staying kind of the same. Just like I said, there's a lot of like doubled up pieces like around here and stuff. So I'm just going to be streamlining everything, but yeah, that's a quick look at the framing. Also, I'm not too sure what happened in here today, but where the battery lives, all of this was really condensated. The battery itself was quite wet. I was quite worried about it this morning. It's fine, but like, yeah, I don't know why, but all of everything was condensated. So if anyone's got any knowledge on that as to why condensation might be coming into the cupboards and stuff, just let me know. I checked behind the kitchen unit just to see if anything was coming through the door on that side, but no condensation on the door, no condensation on the back of the kitchen or anything. So it doesn't seem to be on the outside, it only seems to be on the interior. So yeah, let me know if you've got any theories on that. But yeah, let's carry on. And there we have it, back to a normal van again. Yeah, it was pretty easy getting everything back out. As you can see, I've still left the carpet on. Unsure whether I'm taking that out or not yet. It's whether it's worth the hassle of carpeting everything. The hardest part was getting the roof off, just because it was a faff getting all the beams out. The insulation on the floor is coming out as well. Just didn't bother filming that because it's going to be pretty boring. But I want to get under here, take out what the floor was attached to. It's got like some wooden beams going across the back of the van, then the center of the van, sorry. I want them out because I'm going to be changing how the floor is mounted, and I also want to get it lower because I'm trying to lower the seating and raise the ceiling just ever so slightly so I get a bit more headroom. What else? As I was taking everything out, I realized how heavy this build was. The laminate flooring, I didn't think was that heavy, but it had a substantial amount of weight to it. So I think I'm gonna be doing one piece of ply flooring and doing vinyl just to keep the weight down there. I love the beams on the roof. I am sticking with that, but I need to find a way to make that a little bit lighter as well, because that was really heavy. Obviously the kitchen that was here, that was really heavy, but I'm building my own going forward. So yeah, I think I just need to start measuring up some things now everything's out. Basic layout is staying the same with the U-shaped seating and stuff. I just want to, like I said, lower some things, streamline some of the aluminium as well. So I want to like redo some measurements and things. Measure up the kitchen here where I want the height to be and things. Not sure what the next video is going to be. It's probably going to be either the floor or the ceiling, unless in the meantime I've ended up getting a solar panel, and I might film fitting that because I do want a solar panel, and it might as well fit that while everything's out so I can get easy access to the roof and things. So yeah, stay tuned.